Hey guys, welcome to Angie's Table. We're going to be making bibimbap today, which is a traditional Korean dish. And basically you can put anything you want in it. Normally there's a marinated beef called bulgogi that goes in it. But today we're just going to make it super fresh and summery, and it's just going to be all veggies. Now let's go and see what ingredients we'll need. But this dish over here are all the veggies that I'm going to have to cut or slice and then stir fry them. And over here on this plate, we have the veggies that we're gonna have to blanch and then eye shock and season them separately. Now we're gonna be stir frying that one plate of veggies that I had. Season it with just some salt. Oh my god, they smell so good. Get a paper towel and just clean it off. So now that we're done with all the stir frying, we're going to be blanching the bean sprouts and the spinach. Get a pot of water. When cleaning the spinach, make sure that all the dirt is out of the leaves. I usually clean each one, the ends of the leaves. It could be a little dirty, so make sure you just cut off the dirty parts. And with the bean sprouts, sometimes they have like a clear casing over the yellow head. Remove that. Also make sure there's no dirt. They have ends like tails like this. I usually like to just cut it off. Okay, so the water's boiling. I'm gonna add the bean sprouts in first. You don't want to overcook these. It'll be just maybe 4 or 5 minutes. I have a strainer over here. And we're just gonna do an eye shock. Squeeze out any excess water. I'm not that strong. And we will set aside. I cooked the spinach for like 3 minutes. I just rinsed it real quick, and we will do an eye shock again. Okay, so now we're going to try the seasoning. We have soy sauce here, sesame oil, toasted sesame seeds, and some salt. The soy sauce I won't be putting in the bean sprouts because I don't want it to change the color of it. So I'll only be adding that to the spinach. I'll go ahead and just do the bean sprouts first. So I'll just add half of a garlic that I minced up. And then I'll add about half a teaspoon of the sesame oil. Sprinkle some salt, just a little bit, and some toasted sesame seeds. Oh, you can really smell that. It smells very good. Now the other half of the garlic will go in to the spinach. We'll add just a little bit of sea salt because we're adding soy sauce to this. I'll do about half a teaspoon of the soy sauce. Half a teaspoon of the sesame oil. Give that a mix. Okay, now we're going to be making the gochujang. Hi, Essie. We're going to be making the gochujang sauce. Gochujang is a hot pepper. It's like a fermented hot pepper paste. Oh my god. I don't have food for you, Essie. It's so spicy. We are going to be using 2 tablespoons Now this is really spicy. If you guys can't handle spice too well, just use less of this. 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Let's do 2 teaspoons of sugar. It's It's a very sugary and spicy sauce that we have here. And 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Some toasted sesame seeds. And the garlic is optional. I like a lot of garlic, so I'm just gonna add a whole clove of it. And there we have it. Now I got my bowl of rice, and we're gonna get assembling. We're just gonna alternate all around. So just think of like a circle rainbow, pretty much. This is the fun part. We're gonna add some gochujang sauce. I would suggest just adding a little bit in the beginning and adding more as you go because it's actually spicier than most people would think. So if you guys just ended here, this is the vegan bibimbap bowl. But if you guys like fried egg, we can add a fried egg on there and it's even tastier like that. And that's how we make bibimbap. Make sure to mix everything well so you can taste all the flavors in just one bite. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below on what you guys want to watch me make next. See you next time.